That was a mistake,
I'll
Jive.
definitely bring it up at the confessional. Did you call me Jive?
I mean, Glem. Sorry, I was reading Jive's
Jesus
name in
Christ.
chat. I was reading Jive's name in chat, and then it just came over me.
It's okay.
Wait, Bag joined with a Discord all crazy.
Yeah, he's...
I forgive you, Jazz. I mean, Dean.
That'd be funny. I wish I could cheat, because then I would be cool for a little while, and then
I
everyone
swear to
would be
God,
mad.
I watched the one. I don't really stream much, but I watched the one like the scrim he did where he turned it on. Because I was like, damn, Jazz is on fire tonight.
He was doing it with DH Love as well. Remember those Captain Pugs? Everyone's like, who the fuck is DH Love? That was when he was doing it as well. Because he was destroying, and everyone's like, no way, is that really Jazz?
Yeah.
Because it was beyond Jazz's natural ability. I'm listening to nice, calming, classical music so that I don't get frustrated.
It's not working.
It is
That's
working.
Back left.
right.
Wriggles and Emma right.
Who's is actually running routes?
Nems is running distract. I'm gonna not be on stand to stop Wriggles here. It's gonna be rough.
Mouse slow with this.
Stop.
There's a right now.
They're out.
Damn
I
it.
missed. Sorry.
Dreadnought missing.
Nanox behind you. I was reloading, so I wish I had the chance. I died.
He caught
Yep.
it. Cool.
Yep.
Oh, I got shot out. Wait, I'm gonna punt it.
Good chance, Blue.
Missed punt. I hit the punt.
Hitting Ginge now.
I'm gonna punt it
Nice.
back again.
Nice scoop.
Loot? No.
I got the second punt. Nice. That's teamwork, baby.
Let's go.
We have grab.
Someone needs to pick it up.
I'm
Ginge down.
trying.
Stay on red.
Fall on it.
Be ready to
No
EV
help,
grab.
though.
Grab
They
that
got
ball,
it.
Damn it, it's at our...
I couldn't get it. Me fat.
Yeah, I
Sorry.
couldn't get it either.
Blue's moving.
Fuck.
Ooh, I got fucked up.
Might
Yeah,
have
that
a
was
chance
a lot
on
of
blue.
fucking
If they're
shots.
Can get there.
Trying to
Crash it.
crash.
Crash it,
crashing.
everybody.
He
We've got
They're all
time.
D up. I don't
He's
think I
far
can
out.
get
It's
out.
gonna
No,
take
I
him a
got it.
minute.
I got
has
it.
a ton of D.
Let's kill.
Nice.
Oh, I tried to re-grab.
I'm gonna go for a
I have their flag. I have their flag. Oh, shit.
Nice.
Keep
Never
moving.
mind. I'll cover you.
Oh,
I'll cover you.
Oh, so close.
Let's go, baby.
Nice.
I'm off stand, so I don't know what's going on our stand at the moment.
Punt this forward before you die.
No one's over here.
I'm staying regrab.
I'm going for red.
Got one coming right.
Them is on
Oh.
the crash left.
No,
Somebody
okay.
hit me.
About 20.
10. I'm
Somebody
gonna...
hit me right as I DJ'd.
15.
Roger.
Wriggles is really hurt, front to back.
I did not get it. I'm
105.
gonna have to clear.
I'm 30.
I'm holding blue.
Nims is on it. Almost.
Turning 3.
Oh,
Dude.
I
Uh-oh.
already
Not great.
passed them. See
Not
more
great.
look up. Oh, I'm so bad,
there's
dude.
that
Sorry.
left.
They got that.
All good.
I have the flag.
I'll have grab two if you don't.
We gotta go into our gin room.
Flaring generator.
Emma's down.
Extra turn. Okay,
Nice.
cool.
Well
Regrab
done.
10.
Walk.
Does anyone have regrab?
5.
Yeah,
yep,
I'm on a
3.
back. I'm 10 out.
They're all meeting this mid.
5. Okay, good. I'll
I
follow.
killed myself. Of course it's worth it.
We're home with this.
There's a heavy in our generators.
There's one
Yep.
later to base. He got the midair. It's at right spawn. He's dead. Good kill.
Got blue.
I'm running the back to front, so if you guys can attack, it'd be wonderful. I'll be there in 5.
Emma's going right, I mean left.
Ah, I missed.
That's pretty sad.
About 20.
There goes left.
Hit one.
The
Still
one's at
coming
the
in.
top of our base. Frog. Clear frog off.
Anyone out
I
of time?
conked him.
I miss half.
I'll just
20.
loft.
probably
The
clear.
back's coming in though, and I just died. 3, 2,
Yeah,
1.
clear it
They're
is.
out.
He's hurt. He's below half.
I'm 8 out.
I'm 10.
We've taken the enemy flag.
Leave it on stand if they return it.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
The enemy has returned their flag. We've taken the enemy flag.
Nice
Oh,
grab.
I died.
Ah, fuck.
Try and get it.
The enemy has returned their flag.
Running a front
Over
to
here.
back.
Really
I'm
low.
running
We
a
have like
front to
5
back. I'm
seconds.
running a front to back.
The enemy
Oh,
has
shit.
taken our flag back.
I got nice. Nice.
Great return.
Flag.
Wiggles is really low. I sniped him twice.
20-ish.
We should have returned unless Nem scoops, but he missed.
He's not gonna scoop. Yeah. Dead.
Oh,
I'm a Willow.
Returned their flag.
The wrong way.
she sniped twice again.
Like 5.
Ah, damn, dude. They're
Taking the enemy
fucking
flag.
turrets.
We can return blue here.
I need pass team.
Zato. Yep.
Oh shit, we need
Well,
help.
now I can't.
Throwing it up. They're on this lights.
We try and hit their
Alright.
gyms.
Force field's one shot on Stan.
The enemy's returned their flag.
Damn.
No, he
Damn,
got
timing.
boosted into it.
Oxter's about half.
We've taken the enemy flag.
Down.
I forgot to switch class. Sorry, Zato.
That's all good. We need more help anyway.
I should switch to medium. I'm just lofting. Oh wait, my generator's back up. I can go back to doing
We need
good
red.
things.
My side. Is this up?
Play red. Play red.
I have like 6 on blue.
Merrick.
I need a
Our
pass.
generator down.
Below you.
They have a lot on blue. Shit.
Okay, offense. We need to hit it. It's a time to get. Let's hit it 8-10.
Or
Oh my god, don't let that person solo return it. Thank you. No, don't let Prepu do it either. Frog is there now too.
I can't grab it.
All of these people
5
are
seconds
so
left.
rotating.
I can't grab it. Get it. Get it. They're about to return.
Start moving in on it.
I can get the E if they return.
We're all
I
here.
got
We're all here. Get this fuck. Okay, you're one loose.
At blue.
I can go for return maybe.
Chance blue.
Returning. Maybe.
Give me this.
Go.
Oh, you're gonna get mortared.
Offense D up. Secure this red. Starting regrab. 35 left.
Yep.
Fuck. Okay.
Yeah, you got
Clear.
mortared.
I messed up.
I might have it.
the enemy is
Got
you're-
set going like 50.
I'm running back to front. I'll be there in 5.
All right,
Please
I'm
attack.
clearing for it.
10 behind that. If
We can't get it.
There you go.
Ah,
Oh,
I got hit. I got hit.
if they return, I'm like 7.
enemy has taken our flag.
If they return,
Wriggles
I
is
can-
out clean.
it, yeah.
Really
There in
clean.
It's clear.
It's
The enemy
Yeah.
flag.
It dropped shit as I said that.
Come to Glen. Nope, never mind.
Oh shit. You said a little
my
late.
god.
Sorry.
Rabbiting.
Right spawn, right spawn. Good,
Ah.
H just has it.
damn.
They're all here. I don't know if we can fix this.
I can go for the E.
Go for E, go for E.
I'm on E. No,
Go
I
for
beat
it.
him. Don't grab. Don't.
Shoot. Fucking frog kebabs.
I'm out clean.
Nice.
I can try for the return maybe.
Offense hit it, time together. Oh, y'all here, let's go.
6:15.
Yeah,
Dean, can I end
Try
you?
that return.
You know,
Return.
I just got blown up
If
by
I,
dead
right
man.
Red, 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 red.
If they return,
No,
they're 5.
I just am trying to fight offense out. Sorry.
They're in 3. Bro.
I'm going mid for that.
Yeah, it's on blue.
We're starting left 40.
We've taken our flag back.
Kill frog kebabs.
The enemy's returned their flag.
Little Nova
Ah.
bitch. This
Hugo's starting at right. Emma's starting on left.
Wriggles 5, right?
Okay. We'll see.
Good.
Oh, he went wide.
Where's Emma?
Nems is on back right.
I can't see anything.
She's
I-
coming. She's here.
3.
Into 3, crash.
Back now. Wriggles
Knocked
now
off.
back.
He
Here,
was
please
starting
attack.
back.
Please
I might have
attack. Please attack the
Hey,
stand.
Back right
Please
now.
attack the stand.
Back, E.
Nope.
attack-
Sorry. I got Daff.
Yeah.
I need offense to die faster. I got chaff naded too.
Crashing red.
Nems is running LO and chaff nading me, so
Escort
Keep stand, then I got it.
I'll try.
Beautiful.
Good
Nice.
job, BJ.
Got one back.
Somebody
I'm
in?
10.
Okay.
Free food's LO, LD with this.
He's very low.
He's home though. He's home. He's home.
Yeah, we need
Should be.
Not.
E.
Yeah, you got it.
Nice. E.
Nice
Nice.
return.
I'm dead on stand again, so I don't have any. There's a left coming
One
soon.
coming.
Other front grab.
Yep.
Right spawn. I just throwing it up. They're all over it.
I can't kill all of them. Oh my god.
Nice. Offense, we need help.
Got the flag carrier.
Keep shooting this way.
Blue, no.
Red.
Well, I killed all of them except for these two who are back.
Tossing towards right.
Oh, I just
got
died.
somebody
We still need red. They're still out.
Because they'll kill everything.
If you need, I'm behind you.
Turn.
And they're in 10. They
Nope.
return. Nice return.
Dead man's on it. Sorry, I
Running back
can't
to
watch
spawn.
the flag while we're fighting for this one.
I can grab it. Maybe. Alrighty.
One light. Wriggles.
I'm gonna need here soon.
Free food's high front.
Coming to you, Mike.
Crash at 240.
Might have blue.
Oops.
Oh, I'm just gonna catch up.
It's on our stand. If anyone's looking at it,
I
it's
got it,
below
I
our
got it.
stand.
I'm gonna need real quick.
Oh, their deed up so hard.
Well, we just
Towards
killed
stand,
them all.
towards
That's
stand.
why.
Fuck! Cocked it, but I didn't have blink.
Alright, let's hit it at a time again. 210. 215 hurt.
Resetting.
He's low.
Resetting. I can't reset. There we go.
Good shots.
Fucking Wriggles chaffing me, bro. He forgot he was in LO. I can't see who this light is on me. Oh, it's Emma. I died with it. Look at it behind hill.
We have it behind hill. We have it. We have it. I'm low.
We got
Nice.
Red.
I'm going to stand to protect here. Nope.
I couldn't get it.
I'm down.
Just walk
Behind
They
stand.
return.
Nems is
have a lot
out.
on
He's
this.
coming into you guys though.
Go Nems.
Prizzo behind you, through stand, over stand behind you. To your
Nice,
right.
Uga. Amazing reaction to my punt.
I can't. see.
Going to grab it. I missed it. You got it.
We're not getting the point. What the fuck?
I threw it over to left spawn. There's 15,000 lights on
no,
it.
Got it.
I'm 15 up.
Spam sand.
Nice.
There's a front again soon.
They return. I'm like 7.
Nim's coming in back now. Right now.
Nice.
Right now.
He missed. I blocked him.
Nice.
There's a front though.
This time.
There's a lot of action on stand. Hurry!
Yeah, he's
I'm
hurt.
trying to keep them
He's
off
hurt.
the stand.
I'm sorry. Penalty team.
I'm trying
Emma's
so
right in
hard to
10.
kill all of them to E-grab, dude.
Good, good, dude.
All 5 billion E-grabs.
I need,
Yeah,
I'm
dude.
gonna need.
I body blocked a fucking heavy slide, man. Did like half his
Going
health.
towards
He was
stand, going towards
cruising.
stand. Going towards stand. It didn't go very far.
Just
That
kill
was good.
people.
There's so many.
Just kill everyone. Just they're gonna
Come on,
spam the
catch.
flag, so just
Oh,
kill
Randy.
them.
We have a regrab.
PD. I'm still 20 each.
I'm not there.
Nice.
Nice. If he
BG.
tossed it, I can. try and
We're
go
gonna
for
need
it.
a lot on it though. BG literally just bought us like 3 seconds.
I'm 10 on read.
Yeah, I tried to punt it, but I missed.
5.
Oh,
Ah.
Wow.
Sudden death.
I'm trying to clear for you.
Fucking the scrambles, dude. This
That'd
is a
be-
the Zato classic. No, it doesn't matter. This is the Zato.
Oh no!
Fuck that bitch.
Buddy. We got it.
GTA. So fun.
First game of the
GTA.
Zato, I'm glad I was there.
That was beautiful.
Fucking.
Good job,
I can't believe you hit the stupid bridge coverings.
Second time.
There
bro.
1 second of relief for Zeta to fuck them over.
We probably need to repick.
lobby. We got.
We have
Yeah, we got a bunch
so
of
many
people.
people. We need to
Yeah.
repick.
Just drag
No, no,
everyone
don't
who's
worry.
waiting.
Oh, that's a lot of people.
Don't
Drag
worry,
everyone
don't
to
worry.
waiting.
I
I'll
have
tell
to
them.
go.